Hey YouTube, Divas and Dudes. This is Divalicious here, and Audacia decides she wants to do a waterfall braid on her little sister Nyaisha's hair. Oh.
My name is Nyaisha.
Okay, her name is Nyaisha. All right.
So everybody beat me, Nyaisha.
Okay, so you're gonna.
She said, "Everybody meet me, Nyaisha."
3 sections, not too big.
So Nyaisha
Okay,
don't get
and
us a waterfall.
make sure you don't get excess hair.
And
So you're gonna start off like this. It's like doing a regular braid.
Then gonna be a Mr. Washer.
Then you're gonna add some hair.
And so my daddy don't do the waterfall. And Audacia don't do on mommy hair. And my
Add
don't
more hair.
and my don't build a house. And my don't stand up a house and put some face on it. And the house don't look like Audacia and my mama and the toilet and me and Mr. Watson and my daddy. Happy family. Happy family. Mom, sing a happy family song.
I don't know that song, honey.
Happy family. Oh, we is happy family.
You have to be still.
My favorite. Pieces.
Okay, baby, sing "At the Cross."
At the house, where our faith shall light in the morning of my heart. Roll away. It was there on my face. I received
Pick your head up.
my sight, and now my happy holiday.
Very good. You want to say your prayers for YouTube? Say your prayers. Our Father.
Our Father, we don't have hallowed be your name. The king's come, thy will be done on well. It's in heaven, give us this day our daily bread, and for us, and forgive our trespasses and sins. Lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. Judgment and the power and the forever. Amen. Bless and Bible. Amen.
She say bless everybody in the world. All right.
Okay.
Okay,
I'm not
YouTube.
done.
Oh, you're not done? I'm sorry.
Okay, so now you have to like spread it out.
My pretty something.
And she's calling this a what now, Audacia?
Waterfall braid.
A waterfall braid.
Her
Okay.
hair is short in front, so it's not gonna go in the braid.
I used to cut her bands. Okay, say hello to Nyaisha. All right, and is that going to be hanging in the front like that?
Hey.
You can pin it up.
And what are we going to do with that hanging?
I don't know.
Put your hand down, baby. Want to see your hair.
I want to see you hair, mommy.
Okay. We can just leave it down like that or put a, yeah. See, it has that little natural bump. That's beautiful, honey. And, of course, Audacia still has these Bantu knots. And she added bobby pins in them. Nyaisha, stop. Now, turn around. Do a 360. Let's see your whole head. Turn around. Oh, girl, look at you. Turn around. All right. That's beautiful.
1, 2.
All right.
More hair.
God bless you. And as always, more hair.